and these are our favorite pieces. Never can do enough of these pieces here. So I could see doing a, maybe I need a different color. No. So I could see doing a permanent plow on the front here, like this, or like this. And then something that closes down on top of it to keep stuff in. The wider we go, the less accurate we have to be. But it means we can't get into some tight spaces. But I think that's probably a good compromise, because it gives us a wide opening and it's long. So if we're turning while we're going to get something, it'll work out. So ideally, I don't want it dragging on the ground, but I can't stick anything lower than the yellow because the yellow is already at ground level. So I have to, whatever I do, I have to put at this same level as the yellow here. And then I can do this. Does that help me? Oh, maybe. All right, let's try this. It's not pretty. All right, it's not elegant, but I think it'll work. So I'm going to do 2 more of those. Sometimes you just have to build it and try it out to see how you want to change it. I'm going to have enough llamas. I do. You notice that by staggering these 2 llamas, they fit into each other's holes, so you don't get them clashing with each other. The other thing is that if you wanted to, you could make these longer or not. Okay, so that's good for driving around and grabbing things. So then we want to be able to close stuff in here. So we want to attach something to the wheel so that it can go up and down. So first I want to figure out what I want to attach. Ooh, these look cool. Oh yeah. And so that's a great plow here. So now I want to attach it up to the top here. So once again, I've got the old problem that the holes are going in the opposite directions, but I want to do that. Oh, wait. Oh, got it. Do I have enough blue pigs? I do. Check this out. Just need an axle. It's interesting, they've replaced the grey axles, the 3s, with Oh, that's, oh, what? Oh, these holes don't line up. I was thinking that would go in there like that, but that is not the same spacing. Oh, that's a bummer. Oh well, so much for that idea. Back to the drawing board. Alright, that's better. So the trick was recognizing the fact that this is actually 3 up and 2 across. So so now I have a piece with a handle. Or maybe like that. Yeah. Okay. It's too bad this little divot's sticking out the end here. Alright, so this is the big L. There's such a thing as a little L. I'm trying to figure out whether they came in this kit or not. Are there little L's? Yes, there's 4 yellow little L's. Here's one. Here's another. So what I'm thinking is that we could do something whereby we put this like this. But then it gives me 1 stud. So then I'm thinking maybe I could sandwich something in between here. All right, let's see what it looks like. You never know till you experiment with Legos. That's the whole deal. So now I have a wing with a handle. Then I can just attach this to here, in theory. Yeah, good theory. Try and use as many pegs as you can because this is going to need to be able to be fairly robust. I don't know if this is going to get caught underneath this lip here. Looks like it might. That actually could be a feature. We will see, so that once it closes down, it really locks in there. Okay. that's interesting. An axle does not go all the way through these motors. How weird is that? I would have thought that would be a natural assumption. Okay. Whoa, look at that. Oh, that is killer. So we can drive around, collect stuff, and then when it's got it, it can go like that and then back away. We'll do all sorts of turns and stuff. Okay, that's crazy. All right, so I think it goes up okay. Actually, kind of cool. So maybe I should put this in the 0 position here. So it's up. So I'm like this. So I'm going to make it so it's up and down in the 0 position instead of level. You see, so I put this in the 0 position here. And then I am sticking this in the up and down position. So now if we always tell it to go to 0, it'll go there. And then we can tell it where to go to. That should, in theory, be 90 degrees. All right, so now it's ready to be programmed.